Personal information.
What is your name?
People call me Tina.
Where do you live?
I'm staying in New York.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I work as a teacher.
Are you a student?
No, I'm not studying right now.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, a dog lives with me.
What is your favorite color?
I really like blue.
Where are you from?
My hometown is in India.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
I've got one brother.
Are you married?
No, I'm single at the moment. Daily routine.
What time do you wake up?
Usually, around 7 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast?
Of course, every morning.
What do you do in the morning?
First, I freshen up, then I have tea.
Do you go to work every day?
Yes, except on weekends.
What time do you go to bed?
By 10 p.m., I'm usually asleep.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Sometimes, if I have time.
What do you do on weekends?
I visit family or go out with friends.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I work out 3 times a week.
How do you go to work?
I usually take the bus.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I make my own meals. Likes and dislikes.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love it.
What is your favorite food?
I enjoy eating pizza.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, reading is one of my hobbies.
What kind of music do you like?
Pop songs are my favorite.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football sometimes.
What is your favorite movie?
I really enjoy watching Titanic.
Do you like ice cream?
Absolutely, chocolate is my favorite.
What is your favorite hobby?
Painting makes me happy.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, trying new recipes is fun.
Do you like summer?
Not much, I prefer cold weather. Family and friends.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I stay with my parents.
Who is your best friend?
Sarah is my closest friend.
Do you talk to your friends every day?
Yes, we chat often.
What do you and your friends do together?
We go shopping and watch movies.
Do you visit your grandparents?
Yes, I see them every weekend.
Does your mother work?
Yes, she is a doctor.
Do you help your parents at home?
I do, especially with cleaning.
What do you call your father?
I call him Dad.
Does your brother play football?
Yes, and he's really good at it.
Do your parents like music?
Yes, they listen to it every day. Work and school.
Do you work in an office?
Yes, I do.
Do you like your job?
I enjoy it a lot.
Do you study English?
Yes, I practice every day.
What subjects do you like?
Science and history interest me.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I own a laptop.
Does your teacher give homework?
Yes, there's always something to do.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, my English teacher is great.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I take a break on weekends.
What do you do at school?
I study, meet friends, and play sports.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, learning is exciting. Home and living.
Where do you live?
I live in a small apartment.
Do you have a big house?
No, my house is small but comfortable.
How many rooms are in your house?
There are 3 rooms.
Do you have a garden?
No, but I have some plants.
Who cleans your house?
I clean it myself.
Do you have a TV at home?
Yes, in the living room.
Where do you sleep?
I sleep in my bedroom.
Is your house near a market?
Yes, it's very close.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
Do you like your home?
Yes, it's my favorite place. Shopping.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Where do you buy clothes?
I shop at the mall.
Do you prefer online shopping?
Yes, it's easier.
How often do you go shopping?
Once a week.
Do you buy expensive clothes?
No, I like simple clothes.
Where do you buy groceries?
At the supermarket.
Do you like buying shoes?
Yes, I love shoes.
Do you shop alone?
No, I go with friends.
Do you use cash or a card?
I use my card.
What do you buy the most?
I buy a lot of snacks. Food and drink.
Do you like spicy food?
Sometimes, but not too much.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and eggs.
Do you drink coffee?
No, I prefer tea.
Do you eat fast food?
Yes, but not every day.
What is your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook every day.
What is a famous food in your country?
In India, we eat biryani.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, my favorite is vanilla.
Do you eat fruits?
Yes, I eat them every morning.
What do you drink with dinner?
Usually, I drink water. Weather and seasons.
What is your favorite season?
I love winter.
Is it hot today?
Yes, it's very sunny.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I love the rain.
What do you wear in winter?
I wear warm clothes.
Does it snow in your country?
No, it doesn't.
Do you like summer?
No, it's too hot for me.
What do you do on a cold day?
I drink hot tea.
What's the weather like now?
It's cloudy today.
Do you use an umbrella?
Yes, when it rains.
Is it windy today?
No, it's calm. Hobbies and free time.
What is your hobby?
I enjoy painting.
Do you like playing games?
Yes, I play board games.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, every weekend.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen every day.
Do you play an instrument?
No, but I want to learn.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, dancing is fun.
Do you go for walks?
Yes, in the evening.
What do you do at night?
I watch TV or relax.
Do you do yoga?
Sometimes, in the morning. Travel and transportation.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
Have you ever traveled by plane?
No, not yet.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
Do you have a car?
No, but I want one.
Do you ride a bicycle?
Yes, sometimes.
Have you ever visited another country?
No, but I want to.
Which country do you want to visit?
I want to go to Japan.
Do you like long trips?
Yes, they are exciting.
Do you take the train often?
No, there's no train near my house.
Do you use a taxi?
Only when necessary. Technology and gadgets.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I have an iPhone.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram.
Do you like technology?
Yes, it makes life easier.
Do you have a laptop?
Yes, I use it for work.
Do you play video games?
Sometimes, when I have time.
What apps do you use the most?
I use WhatsApp and YouTube.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yes, I watch videos daily.
Do you know how to type fast?
Yes, I can type quickly.
Do you prefer online or offline shopping?
I prefer online shopping.
Do you use headphones?
Yes, I use them while traveling. Health and fitness.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I work out 3 times a week.
Do you go to the gym?
No, I exercise at home.
Do you drink enough water?
I try to.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, most of the time.
Do you sleep early?
No, I sleep late.
Do you have a daily routine?
Yes, I follow a schedule.
Do you do yoga?
Sometimes, in the morning.
Do you walk every day?
Yes, I walk to work.
Do you feel stressed often?
No, I try to stay calm.
Do you visit the doctor regularly?
Only when I feel sick. School and learning.
Do you go to school?
No, I finished school.
What subjects do you like?
I enjoy science and history.
Do you study English?
Yes, I practice every day.
Do you like math?
No, it's difficult for me.
Do you read books?
Yes, I love reading.
Do you write every day?
Yes, I keep a journal.
Do you learn new things online?
Yes, I watch educational videos.
Do you like science?
Yes, it's very interesting.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, my English teacher is great.
Do you prefer studying alone or with friends?
I like studying alone. Jobs and work.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I work in an office.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's interesting.
Do you work from home?
No, I go to the office.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I only work on weekdays.
Do you have many co-workers?
Yes, I work with a big team.
Do you want a different job?
No, I like my current job.
Do you work at night?
No, I work during the day.
Do you get a salary?
Yes, every month.
Do you work long hours?
No, I have a normal schedule.
Do you like working with people?
Yes, I enjoy teamwork, entertainment and fun.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch it every evening.
What is your favorite TV show?
I love watching Friends.
Do you go to the cinema?
Yes, sometimes with friends.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I listen every day.
Who is your favorite singer?
I like Ed Sheeran.
Do you like comedy movies?
Yes, they make me laugh.
Do you read books for fun?
Yes, I enjoy novels.
Do you play board games?
Yes, I love Monopoly.
Do you go to concerts?
No, but I want to.
Do you enjoy magic tricks?
Yes, they are fun to watch. Nature and environment.
Do you like nature?
Yes, I love being outside.
Do you have plants at home?
Yes, I have a few.
Do you like animals?
Yes, especially cats.
Do you recycle?
Yes, I try to recycle plastic and paper.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the ocean.
Do you prefer the mountains or the sea?
I prefer the mountains.
Do you go hiking?
Yes, sometimes on weekends.
Do you care about the environment?
Yes, it's very important.
Do you like camping?
No, I prefer staying in a hotel.
Do you watch nature documentaries?
Yes, I find them interesting. Festivals and celebrations.
Do you like celebrating birthdays?
Yes, I enjoy birthday parties.
When is your birthday?
It's in June.
Do you like Christmas?
Yes, it's a happy time.
What festival do you like?
I love Holi.
Do you decorate your home for festivals?
Yes, I love decorating.
Do you eat special food during festivals?
Yes, we make sweets.
Do you like fireworks?
Yes, they look beautiful.
Do you give gifts on birthdays?
Yes, I like giving presents.
Do you visit family during holidays?
Yes, we meet every year.
Do you wear new clothes for festivals?
Yes, I always do.